Hi guys, on this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat my eyes only option not loading or not working. Easy and fast. So first thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager, and on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Or what you want to do is scroll until you find Snapchat, click on it, click on force stop, and then go to the data usage. Make sure that all these network access options enabled, and then go back, click on storage, click on clear data, and click on delete. And now all what you want to do is go back to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it for 15 seconds and disable it. After that, restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.